Okay, the correct answer for this is
Eh,
letter D. Letter D
yung
po.
letter D.
'Di ba sa definition, ang clay is less than 0.002. Ito po ang diameter niya. Sa USDA, ang clay is less than 0.002. Ang question is upper diameter. So, ang upper diameter niya is yung 0.002. Ano po ang upper diameter ng colloid? Okay, anybody? Colloid, 0.001. So, 0.001 millimeter or 1 micron.
Zero. Lagi zero. So, 0.001.
Yes po, 0.001
Point
mm
S. 0.001.
or 1 micron. Okay,
Sa
so
tumay.
I want you to take note guys. Under sa USDA, ang lower or I know, ang upper limit po ng silk is 0.05. Ito po, 0.05. Now, meron tayong ISSS. Hindi po ito ang Social Security System ha. ISSS, International Society of the Soil Scientists. Sila gumawa din po ng sarili nilang limit or yan, limit. Ang pinalitan lang nila yung 5, ginawa nilang 2. So yun lang po ang pinagbago, no?
Ah,
From 5, ginawang 2. So yun, these are the characteristics of different property soil particle. Pag sand, coarse and gritty. Coarse meaning malalaki. Pag silty naman, may pagka powdery, smooth or flowery flower. Then pag clay naman ay fine, maliliit, sticky and plastic. So that's the soil particles.